you're working in flexible modeling, you can find the Substitute tool in the Transform ribbon group. The Flexible Modeling Substitute feature allows you to replace a selected surface with another one and remove or recreate existing rounds automatically. Let's substitute the side of this simple feature with the provided surface. Depending on the desired outcome, we can change the feature's direction by clicking on the yellow arrow or in the dashboard. Next, let's head over to this more complex feature and substitute the top of this protrusion with the extruded surface. In the Attachment tab, you can see that we have a Create Round Geometry option. If we leave that checked, it will recreate the rounds at the intersection of the substituted surface. If we uncheck it, we can see that the rounds are omitted. The substituting surface reference can also be selected from the solid geometry and does not have to be a separate surface feature. The Flexible Modeling Substitute feature makes it easy to replace a selected surface with an existing one while maintaining your model's round.